Looking for an electric scooter that can go the distance? In this video, we're counting down the best long-range electric scooters built for extended rides, powerful performance, and all-day reliability. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or enjoying weekend adventures, these top picks offer impressive battery life and exceptional value. Stay tuned to discover the perfect long-range electric scooter for your next ride. Number 1. Navy GT3 Electric Scooter. Powered by a high-capacity 357Wh battery, this electric scooter for adults delivers unmatched performance and reliability, allowing you to travel up to 31 miles on a single charge, ideal for your daily commute, weekend adventures, or even a quick trip across campus or town. This e-scooter GT3 combines blazing speed with ultimate versatility, hitting 19 miles per hour to get you where you need to go fast. With 3 smart modes: walking, W, for low-speed safety, drive, D, for daily commutes, and sport, S, for high-speed thrills and hill climbs, it's designed to adapt to your every move. Built with a 700W high-torque motor and 10-inch tubeless fat tires, this motorized scooter effortlessly conquers steep inclines up to 20%, making it perfect for beating traffic, tackling hills, or exploring off-road trails. Powered by the advanced damping arm system, this scooter's dual-sided polymer damping arm suspension provides exceptional stability and comfort. Absorbing shocks and vibrations, it ensures a smooth ride on any terrain, city streets or rough trails. Smarter, smoother, and built for every adventure. With a front drum brake, rear disc brake, and EBAS, this e-scooter ensures precise, reliable stopping power whether you're navigating busy city streets, descending steep hills, or cruising through off-road trails. Every stop is as smooth as your ride, giving you confidence in every terrain. Number 2. iScooter 9.3 Electric Scooter. iScooter 9.3 Commuter Scooter for adults, your ideal companion for commuting, grocery runs, off-road adventures, and short trips. With a robust 480Wh battery, this scooter boasts an impressive 25 miles cruising range, making it a cost-effective choice for your daily travels. The 9.3 adult electric scooter has been upgraded with 3 riding speeds: ECO, 10 miles per hour, STD, 18 miles per hour, and Turbo, 25 miles per hour, to match your ride style. The new color LCD display offers better visibility than the previous white font screen, making it easier to check your speed, battery, and mode at a glance. This adult scooter boasts a unique combination of features, including directional signals, ambient lighting, and enhanced front headlights and tail lights. Say goodbye to worries about nighttime rides. It also comes with a foldable design and adjustable handlebar height, 44.5 to 52.8 inches. Weighing only 51 pounds and supporting a maximum load of 264 pounds, it's a breeze to carry on public transportation or stow in your car. It ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, delivers high torque with low power consumption, reaching a top speed of 25 miles per hour and conquering slopes of up to 20 to 25 degrees. Customize your riding experience through the iScooter Club app, where you can set the top speed and lock your e-scooter for adults securely. Number 3. Hiboy Max Pro Electric Scooter. Max Pro's powerful battery life, 48V15Ah, makes it easier for you to complete daily travel, and one charge is enough for you to ride for 46 miles. Press the button for 3 seconds to start your scooter. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Max Pro e-scooter has 3 different riding modes. You can choose the most suitable mode for you according to your needs, and the 500W brushless motor allows you handle all kinds of road conditions with ease. Max Pro electric scooter adopts front and rear wheel suspension system and 11-inch pneumatic tires, which means you can enjoy a smoother and more comfortable riding experience, even on rough roads. The same. Max Pro e-scooter is not only equipped with taillights, but also has a side ambient light, which improves the safety of night riding and allows you to travel with peace of mind at any time. The perfect front and rear drum brakes and electronic braking system allow you to stop whenever you want. Number 4. EcoRoad ES6 Electric Scooter. Equipped with a high-performance 2000W, 1000W X2 dual brushless motor system, the ES6 Dual delivers massive torque, launching you from 0 to 34 miles per hour in just 10 seconds. With 4 selectable speed modes, this e-scooter seamlessly adapts from campus commuting to demanding light off-road terrains with absolute control. Powered by a high-capacity battery, it delivers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, tested in eco mode with a 154 pounds rider. The efficient power management system ensures a full charge in just 6 to 7 hours, minimizing downtime and keeping you ready for long-distance explorations. Engineered with a high-strength aluminum alloy frame and finished with a premium baking paint process, this electric scooter supports a heavy-duty 330 pounds capacity. The innovative integrated handlebar is ergonomically crafted to reduce riding fatigue, making it an incredibly stable and reliable choice for all riders. Conquer any surface with premium 10 inches by 3 inches tubeless off-road tires. Our heavy-duty tubeless design offers superior puncture resistance and enhanced grip on gravel, dirt, or asphalt. Best of all, they feature incredibly simple maintenance and hassle-free repair, allowing you to fix minor punctures in minutes without dismantling the wheel. Number 5. Segway ZT3 Pro Electric Scooter. Travel up to 43.5 miles on a single charge in eco mode, ensuring long, uninterrupted rides with minimal recharging required. Easy-to-use controls and intuitive handling make the scooter simple to operate, providing a smooth, stable, and enjoyable ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. Constructed with high-quality materials designed to endure rough use and harsh conditions, the ZT3 Pro offers years of reliable service, providing durability that can withstand regular off-road adventures. The 11-inch tubeless tires enhance stability and provide excellent shock absorption, making off-road terrain feel smoother and more manageable for the rider. Dual front telescopic and rear spring suspension provide a cushioned ride on all terrains. Fully charge your scooter in just 4 hours with Segway 9Bot's 2X flash charge technology, offering maximum convenience and minimum downtime for your next ride. Certified by ANSA/CAN/UL 2272 by TÜV Rheinland, ensuring top-tier safety standards for peace of mind while riding.
Thank you for watching this.
Like, comment, and subscribe.